Well, gonna need a new test. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Rory. Today I'm going to do a really quick video on a super glue test. If you followed my channel or seen any of my videos, you know that I love to use super glue or CA glue in my projects. For the longest time, I've used this product from Bob Smith Industries. Looks like it recently changed names to Tay Tools, but Starbond just sent me some of their products, and so I'm really looking forward to comparing these two and putting them up against one another to see who's the strongest. I've got a really sophisticated test that I'm gonna put these through, so let's see which one wins. All right, so this test is gonna be really simple. I've got the Starbond medium thickness product over here, and I've got a 2x4 cut in half, and I've got both sides mitered, and I've got the same over here with the Tay Tools product. These are similar pieces of wood. You can see no knots. The grain is roughly the same size. And what I'm gonna do is glue them together on the miter and see if I can pull them apart just with my hands, and we'll see how strong these hold up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and label these so I don't lose track of which is which. And I've got a little bit of wax paper so I don't accidentally glue these to my workbench. And I'll start with the Tay Tools. I'm gonna do a real even, liberal amount. Try to get it as even as possible on both sides, on both test pieces. And then the super glue, it would sit if you just put these together, but this activator speeds it up. We'll just hold it for a couple of seconds and set that aside. And same process here for the Starbond. About the same consistency. The Tay Tools might be a little bit thicker. Test 1, the Superman. All right, so these have cured for about 5 or 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my sophisticated strength test here. I'm literally just gonna try to pull these apart with my arms and see which one I think is stronger. So I'm gonna start here with the Tay Tools and we'll see how it goes. Impossible. And now the Starbond. Well, gonna need a new test. Test 2, the Balancing Man. Test 3, the Clamp Man. All right, so I've got a new test set up here. I've got both of these clamped to my workbench and hopefully very tight. Hopefully this will give me a little bit more leverage to see if I can break these apart. So let's give it a go. Going with Starbond first. Muscles. All right, and Tay Tools, Bob Smith Industries. All right. All right, so I got them both broken apart, and I would say that the results are pretty close. Let's talk a little bit more about it. All right, so I've given it some thought, and my results are that they're not really conclusive. I think that it was probably pretty even as far as the strength test goes. Now, I know this wasn't very sophisticated, but it does give an idea of at least which one I felt like that was stronger. I don't notice too much difference here in the breakage on the joint. It looks like they both broke pretty much the same way. The glue broke and not the wood. Sometimes you see these where the wood will break before the glue, but in this case, this is end grain, and so we would expect the glue to probably break before the wood. It's different than gluing these up edge grain to edge grain or face grain to face grain, which makes a lot stronger bond. And I think these results are actually probably not all that interesting because they're pretty much made from the same products. These are CA glue. CA stands for cyanoacrylate, and so they're basically the same thing. And so you really can't go wrong with any of these products. The good news is that Starbond and I have a relationship now where you can get 10% off their products if you use the link that I'm going to put down below. So that's a plus. It helps me out if you want to support me as a content creator, as a woodworker. I would really appreciate that. If you are in the market for anything like this, again, you can get 10% off on these products. But I've been using this one for a long time and never had any issues with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was interesting for me. It was fun to do. I hope this was helpful and really appreciate you stopping by and checking this out. And we'll see you all on the next video.